Hello, my cherished viewers all over the world. Greetings to you all. I'm Mavis Nyako, Deroko Technology Official. Today, our inventor, a visionary, will address to educate the whole world, especially the iron or aluminum roofing sheet manufacturing companies, if possible, to change all metal, iron, or aluminum roofing sheet into slates, plastics, and fiberglass roofing sheets to avoid heat re-emitting into the atmosphere. Thank you.
Welcome to Deroko Technology Company, the life-changing company to change, to reset the world in this new era. Welcome to the new world of Deroko. Let us talk particularly on how roofing sheets, I'm talking of aluminum steel, is contributing to climate change. Your Excellencies, President of Republic Democratic Nations, Vice Presidents, Ministers of Government, Ministers of neighboring countries, representatives of international bodies, members of diplomacy, ladies and gentlemen. Metal roofing sheets have been the popular choice of trillions of people for their homes, buildings, and businesses in our generation around the world due to their affordability, and they are very simple and quick when installing. But they do not realize their negative effect on them. However, the fact that many souls don't see any negative about them, rather harmless and free from any dangers, I, Deroko, can tell the hidden dangers that can poses on the ecosystem. And also, it is very important to know the dangers associated with the aluminium iron roofing sheet. From the risk, it may be electrocuted, generating of excessive heat production in the atmosphere. Talking of bouncing back the heat into the atmosphere, helping the UV radiation to hit the earth, weakening the ozone layer. This is the dangers we can see or we can have by using aluminium steel for roofing. In which way can we resolve these problems? Is by bringing in some materials which are sun absorber, like clay tiles, alpha shingles, slate tiles, and etc. Nature has got principle as well as the earth, which both dislike to be interfered by any artificial activity. Any interference creates an unbalanced equal for the system, and its outcome seems obvious. That is all the problem we are facing today. Example, excessive heat on land, in the atmosphere, and of course, sea, which humans depend on for more or less living. On this note, I would like the authorities in this world to act in a condescending manner towards this iron and aluminium steel manufacturing companies, to replace all shiny and rusting materials which connect to the sun energy to generate excessive heat on earth that contribute to climate change. With heat absorbing materials such as clay tiles, alpha shingles, slate tiles, and etc. When we start using this kind of materials, we can be able to control the universe. We will be protected because when there is sunlight or sunshine, you can see something like water, a fluid liquid on top of the iron sheet, generating heat. This liquid are called mirage. This bounces the sun ray of the sun to the atmosphere, weakening the ozone layer. This is a reflection of the sun entering into the filament of the magnetic field that makes nature imbalance. The ozone layer protects us, so we must come out with things that do not reflect the sun energy on earth. With this, authorities must make rules to change all roofing, iron, steel, aluminium to slate tiles, plastics roofing, and fiberglass roofing. Thank you.